Hi guys, this is Adam at Opace here, and in this video we're going to be talking about Amazon Associates and how it can make you a bit of money for your website, and it's just another way of gaining an extra bit of cash to help pay with your hosting costs for the website and a few other things like that. So first of all, you might be thinking, well, what is Amazon Associates and how exactly can it allow me to make a bit of cash from my website? So how it works: if you've got a blogging site at the moment that talks about your hobbies such as biking or fishing, then the chances are you'd be recommending products and linking people to products that you've used that work well because of your experience with the hobby. So let's say you've got a fishing rod that you've used and you love it and you got it off Amazon. Now you might be linking to Amazon saying you can buy the same one I've got here, but the thing is, you're not making any money from that. This is where Amazon Associates comes in. So you can be linking people to the same stuff that you would be normally, but the URL, the link you're embedding into your content, it will have a unique identifier on it if you're signed up to Associates, so Amazon know that those people that are going through to the website from your site because of you, and Amazon can reward you with it with a bit of cash. That's simply how it works. Now, one thing before we get started, you shouldn't really change your writing pattern or the way you might, run your website. Keep it exactly the same. Just use the unique link that Amazon provides you with. That's all you need to do, really. So let's get into it. So let's just assume we're looking for fishing rod. We're into fishing and we want to be linking people to this product. And you've just remembered, oh, okay, I heard that you can make a bit of money off this if you use your unique code rather than the generic Amazon one. So that's fine. So we're recommending the Ultra Fishing Starter Set here. So let's click on the Get Link button. So you've got a bunch of options that we'll cover in a moment. For the sake of this, let's just stick with text only. So you've got a HTML section here that you can highlight and copy onto your site and have it as the hyperlink, or you can just strip the part out here with your unique identifier on it and embed that into your post or where you're linking to. And if you go to that site, let's just show you, that will take you to this site and it will have a unique identifier on it, so that's only unique to you, so Amazon knows that person that's viewing the site is because of you, and as I said, they'll reward you for it if anyone purchases because of that. So let's head back to the front page and let's look at some of the other options. So you might want to display a text and image box rather than just a hyperlink, which is fine. Let's have a look at how that will work. So you can choose whether or not you want the actual browser to open a new window when it's clicked. You want it to show a border or not. Use a larger image, whether it's bunch of price options settings, color settings. So let's just stick with that for now. Highlight all the HTML, copy that. So now we've got the code, let's head over to our content management system. And what this is, I'll drag this away just so I can show you from scratch how you do it. You just drag a text field to a widget position in your content management system, in this case WordPress. Simply paste the HTML code that we've just copied, save that, and then if you go to the website there and refresh that, it will load up and your picture will be shown there. And although it's not aligned correctly and it might not be as you want it, that's how it works. And when that's clicked, it will open a new window and then show you the actual product page. So you might not want that. You might want to stick with the text way of doing things, the hyperlink, and that's fine. I just thought I'd show you how this actually works. So let's go back to the Amazon Associates control panel here and we'll have a look at the widget section. Widgets, it's just a fancier way of actually displaying the products. You can have them as a slideshow or your favourites or whatever you might want. I personally wouldn't list it as this because you can see it looks a bit odd, but some people might want to, and it's an option, and you can just simply grab the code and paste it in the same way as I've just shown you. So yeah, I mean, it's as simple as that really. So you copy the code, put it on your website, save, and that's it. You're good to go. And and you just wait for payments to come in. Then you know, I wouldn't rely on it. Just make a habit of when you're linking, include your unique ID, and just, you know, see what happens. With Amazon Associates, you have to reach a payment threshold of £25. I think it is, or it was anyway, meaning you have to earn £25 before you receive payment from them. But don't worry if you receive like £15 in a month. You won't lose that money. It will just be added on to next month's earnings, and when you earn a combined amount of £25, you'll be issued a payment then. So there are other sites out there that do a similar thing, that are affiliates, you know, and as long as you're not spamming your website and changing the way you run your website to accommodate these ads, then you'll be fine. Just remember to carry on as normal. Just when you're linking, I would personally recommend just using the unique text only box, so you can include the link in a hyperlink, and then that will take people to Amazon, and they'll know that the viewer is there because of you and reward you for it with a bit of cash. So that's exactly how it works. I don't think there's anything else to cover really other than that. Just experiment around, see what works for you. There are a various amount of customization options on each kind of integration method that you might want to experiment around with, see what works best for you and your website. And let us know how you've got on. Drop us a comment in YouTube when you've give this a try. Let me know how you've got on. Be sure to subscribe for the next videos that we're going to be putting out shortly, and follow us on Facebook, Google+, Twitter and LinkedIn. We post a lot of tips to do with this kind of thing regularly, ranging from beginner level to advanced, so we've got something for everyone. So be sure to subscribe for our future posts. And as I said, I'm Adam at Opace, and thanks for watching, and be sure to tune into our next videos.